Hey guys, just got the Glock 21, it's 45, it is empty. So nothing's in the chamber, mag is empty, no mag in there. So always be cognizant where your muzzle direction is, of course, and on dry fire, just show you there, nothing in there. So we're just going to do a quick clean here on it, went shooting yesterday. So show you how to disassemble a real basic, the oiling spots. And then what you'll need to clean it. Got my hops oil here, a couple Q-tips, little bore brush for the 45 caliber, and just a little gun brush to clean the slide width and inside. And then last will be just some wipes to clean the inside of the barrel out after it's been wiped down. I'll show you how to reassemble, and we'll go on from there, okay? First things you're gonna do, once again, make sure it's empty. It's empty. Point in safe direction, pull the trigger, and pull the slide back a little bit, release the two buttons here on the side. One, just let the slide pull forward, and go, boom. And release the spring here, put that down. Take out your barrel. That's it, man. Quick, dirty, in the field type of cleaning. We'll wipe everything out here. Start with the brush just to clean the slide. All these little grooves that you couldn't get with a paper towel. There's your firing pin in here. Make sure that's clean of any debris or residue left over. In here where the actual bullet is fed into the barrel. Pretty dirty. And it's here on the slide, or on the frame where the slide connects. Little lamps here. That's it, man. It's a good thing with Glocks. Pretty easy to disassemble, pretty easy to clean. When you need them to go bang, they usually go bang. Not much to them. So next, I'll clean the barrel. Take my little barrel brush here, screw it on in. You always want to go from the way the bullet goes, so from look inside there and see some of that debris that's been cleaned out. But I'll always usually take this and just rub it in here. Just get that brass, rub it in on the metal so you can get any of that hard carbon that's built up or anything. Same thing back here, just give it a couple rubs. Next I'll take the Q-tips, just rub it alongside the slide where the slide connects to the actual frame of the gun. You see all that? It's built up inside of it. this other attachment with two little pieces of this rag here. Two little cloths. Same thing, feed it through the barrel the right way. Not gonna mess up the inside of it. You see the residue inside. Gonna knock that all out. It's pretty good inside. I don't know if you can see it or not, but not too bad. Not too shabby. For oiling spots. The Glock does not need a lot of oil, which is nice, especially for the drier conditions and locations around the world. The guys using their guns outside and not just sitting in a safe all day. So you got one on each of the side of the slide, just a little drop. One on the top of the slide where the barrel will connect. I put one on top of the barrel. Put one back here. That is it. See just how little it takes. Rub that in a little bit. The barrel, when you touch the slide at, touch the spring. Slide it on in. Boom. Put your sling in, your spring in. That's set in there pretty good. Then you will connect, slide back to the frame, all the way back. You can hear that click, push it back again. Should be locked in there nice and tight. Make sure again, there's no ammo, no bullets around. Close the slide, put it in a safe direction, make sure no one else is around. Pull the trigger, make sure it goes bang. That's good. Cycle it. Let the trigger down slowly, wait for the click. Try it again. Boom. That's it. Nice, simple cleaning of a Glock firearm. For this one, it's a Glock 21. This is the .45 caliber. Made in Austria.